Dear students, let us solve the next problem. Go through the question what is given. Find the equation of the line intersecting the x-axis at the distance of 3 units to the left of origin and its slope is -2. See, a very simple problem. See, here we have to find the equation of the line which intersect x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin. See, this is origin. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಈ ಯೂನಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ m is equal to -2. Just we need to find out what is the equation of this line. Okay, so very simple. We have to find the equation of a line which intersect x-axis at the distance of 3 units to the left of origin. Right of origin ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈಡು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆರಿಜಿನಿಂದ 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಲೈನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ -3. ಯಾಕೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ -3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ -3, 0. And the slope of this line is given -2. Just we need to find out the equation of this line. See, if you observe, this line is passing through the point -3, 0 and we have the slope of the line. Then can we write down the equation of the line? So yes, very simple. We have the slope point form of the line. So what is the slope point form? So we know that y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So this is the equation of a line which passes through a point x naught y naught and having slope m. Okay, just like the required line. Okay, so given m is equal to slope is equal to -2 and this line passes through the point x naught y naught is equal to -3, 0, right? So just substitute the values and simplify, you get the required equation of straight line. Y minus 0, because this is y naught is 0, x naught is -3, m is -2 into x minus of -3. So y is equal to -2 into x minus of minus andre plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ +3x +3. So let us further simplify this. Y is equal to -2 multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So -2x -6. Okay, so by taking these two terms to the LHS, you will get +2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the straight line. Okay. Okay, let us solve the next question. So go through the question what is given. Find the equation of the line intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin and making an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. So it's a very simple question. Here we need to find out the equation of a line which intersects y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. See, this is y-axis, x-axis. See, we have to find the equation of the line which intersects y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. ಅಂದರೆ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಇಂದ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ y-axis ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ and it makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis. See, this is the line which intersect at a distance of 2 units above the origin with the y-axis. y-axis ಜೊತೆ above origin 2 units ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇದು 1 ಇದು 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ 2, 0 ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ y-axisನ ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ and it makes an angle of 30 degree. See, this angle is 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸೊ 30 degree angle ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. Then what will be the equation of this line? We have to find out. Okay, so very simple problem. Okay, see, once again let me tell you clearly. See, this line intersect y-axis at a distance of 2 units above origin. Origin ಇಂದ ಮೇಲೆ 2 units distance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲೈನು y-axis ನ intersect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ and it makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So this angle will be 30 degree. See, now we know the angle of intersection of the line with x-axis, so we can easily find out the slope of that line and we know a point through which that line passes. Okay, so now First of all, let us find out the slope of this line, as we know the angle of intersection of the line with the x-axis, right? So here, solution, here theta is equal to given 30 degree. Then the slope of the line m is equal to tan theta, that is tan 30, which is equal to how much? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we got the slope of this line, and we know a point, that is the point through which the line passes. So that is 2 comma 0. Sorry, this point is 0 comma 2. I'm sorry. See, this point lies on y-axis. Therefore, the point of intersection will be 0 comma 2, not 2 comma 0. Sorry for the mistake. So okay. So here, the required equation of line is, we know that y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Here we are using the slope intercept form, as we know the slope of this line and a point through which the line passes, right? So therefore here x naught is 0, y naught is 2. Okay. So therefore y minus 2 is equal to, m is here 1 by root 3 into x minus x naught is 0. So root 3 into y minus 2, this is equal to x into 1 is x. So now let us further simplify this. So root 3 into y, root 3y minus cross multiply made. So root 3 into y minus 2 is equal to x ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, 1 into x is x. Okay, so further simplifying this, I will write here, it's not visible. So root 3 into y is root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to x. By taking these terms to the RHS, you will get x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line which intersect y-axis at a distance of 2 units above origin and which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Hope you have understood these two problems. Okay, now let us solve the next problem. Go through the question what is given. It's a very interesting problem. So find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line passing through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. It's a very interesting problem. So once again go through the question. Here we need to find out the equation of the line which passes through the point minus 3 comma 5, and this line is perpendicular to the line passing through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So let me draw a rough sketch of this. So first of all, let me consider the given points as ABC. Let A minus 3 comma 5, B 2 comma 5 and C minus 3 comma 6 be the given points. See, according to the given question, suppose, so this is minus 3 comma 5, minus 3 comma 5. The required line is passing through this point and this line is perpendicular to the line joining the points minus 3 comma 6, minus 3 comma 6, somewhere here you will get minus 3 comma 6, and suppose, wait a minute, let me tell you clearly. Suppose assume this is the line joining B and C, that is minus 3 comma 6 and 2 comma 5, and there is a line which passes through the point minus 3 comma 5. So suppose this is minus 3 comma 5, if you assume minus 3 comma 5. So the line, required line passes through this point and this line is perpendicular to the line joining these 2 points. Okay, so very simple. So here the required line passes through the point minus 3 comma 5 and this line is perpendicular, which makes an angle of 90 degree with the line joining the given 2 points. Okay, so ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So we have to find the equation of the line. ಈ equation find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, line equation. This line passes through the point minus 3 comma 5 and this line is perpendicular to the line joining these two points. Okay, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ವೈ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸೋ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ -3,5 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಲೈನು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. Okay, very simple. First of all, here we know the point through which this line passes. Only thing is we need to find out the slope of this line. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ joining B and C. Can we find out the slope of this line by using the formula? ಯಾವುದು? Slope of line joining two points. By using that formula, we can easily find out what is the slope of this line BC. Okay. Since this required line is perpendicular to the given line, so condition for perpendicularity ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪು ನಾನು m2 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ, ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು m1 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ. See, since these two are perpendicular to each other, we have the condition for perpendicularity in terms of their slopes. m1 into m2 is equal to -1. By using this condition, since we know what is m1, we can easily find out m2. Okay. So first of all, after finding this m2, we have the point through which the line passes, and if you find out the slope, we can make use of slope into a slope point form, and we can find out the equation of the line. Okay, first of all, here we need to find out what is the slope of line BC, which is perpendicular to the required line. Okay, let me consider slope of line joining B and C. So B is 2,5 and C is -3,6. So what is the slope of this line? I will consider this as m1. Let me consider this as m1. m1 is equal to, we have the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula used to find the slope of a line joining two points, right? So substitute the values. So I will take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So even if you interchange the points, nothing will happen. You will get the same answer. So y2 minus y1, 6 minus 5 divided by, so -3 minus 2. Therefore, m1 is equal to 1 divided by -5. Okay. So 1 divided by -5 is the slope of this line BC. Then can you tell me what will be the slope of the required line? I have assumed this as m2. Then slope of the required line will be, since the required line is perpendicular to the line joining BC, therefore the slope of the required line is, the slope of the required line is, by using the condition m1 into m2 is equal to -1, since the required line is perpendicular to the line joining BC, therefore we know the slope of the line BC, which I have considered as m1. So substitute madi, you will get m2. So -1 by 5 into m2 is equal to -1. Minus get cancelled on both sides. 5 gets cross multiplied to RHS, so m2 will be equal to 5. Therefore, the slope of the required line is 5, and we know the point through which the line passes, that is -3,5. So by using slope point form, so because we know the slope as well as the point through which the line passes, now we make use of slope point form and write down what is the required equation of the line. Okay, so very simple. Therefore, the required equation of line passing through -3,5 and having the slope 5 is given by, what is the equation of the line in slope point form? Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So here take this as x naught y naught, the point as x naught y naught, and we know what is the slope m. So simply I have considered this as a m2 just to differentiate from the slope of line BC. Okay, so this is nothing but m itself. So therefore y minus 5 is equal to m is 5 into x minus of minus plus 3. So therefore y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15. Take these two terms to RHS. What you will get? 5x minus y. So this 5 goes to RHS. Already we have 15. 15 plus 5 is 20, which is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line which passes through the point minus 3 comma 5 and which is perpendicular to the line joining B and C. Okay. So I hope you have understood these three problems. See, if you have any doubts, please let me know and clarify immediately after watching this video. Thank you all of you.